What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model that uses artificial intelligence to process natural language. It is a type of machine learning algorithm that can learn from large amounts of data and generate responses to human input. ChatGPT is designed to understand and respond to a wide variety of inputs, including text, images, and audio. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using a technique called deep learning, which involves processing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. Specifically, ChatGPT uses a neural network that is trained on a massive corpus of text data. This enables it to understand the context and meaning of natural language input and generate relevant and coherent responses. What can ChatGPT be used for? ChatGPT can be used for a wide variety of applications, including chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots that can interact with users in a human-like way, providing customer support, answering questions, and assisting with tasks. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate high-quality text content for blogs, articles, and other types of content marketing. Language translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another, making it useful for international business and communication. Personal assistance. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual personal assistants that can help users manage their schedules, set reminders, and perform other tasks. How can ChatGPT be accessed? ChatGPT can be accessed through various APIs, application programming interfaces, and platforms. OpenAI offers an API that developers can use to integrate ChatGPT into their applications. There are also various third-party platforms that provide access to ChatGPT, such as Hugging Face, which offers a user-friendly interface for interacting with the model. What are the benefits of using ChatGPT? The benefits of using ChatGPT include improved efficiency. ChatGPT can automate various language-related tasks, saving time and resources. Enhanced user experience. ChatGPT can provide a more natural and engaging user experience, making it easier for people to interact with technology. Better accuracy. ChatGPT can generate high-quality responses and content, reducing the risk of errors and improving the accuracy of language-related tasks. Scalability. ChatGPT can be easily scaled to handle large volumes of data and requests, making it suitable for enterprise-level applications. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that can be used for a wide range of applications. Its ability to understand and generate natural language makes it a valuable tool for businesses, developers, and individuals.